Hello, this is Rita from All Hair and Beauty Salon and allhairandbeauty.com. Today we are going to do another great thing. We are going to do crochet wig cup, and these are the things that we would need. So sit back and watch me. And remember, if you watch the previous videos, this is a handmade hair. I did it with expression. So if you want to check how I achieved this beautiful curl, you can check the previous videos. And you can see that I'm not taking just one hole, I'm using just two holes to do that. If you do one hole, it's going to be a lot bulky on the client's hair. So I'm just using two holes, and you go in 2 times to secure the knot. I always like to do it in a bricks form so that it doesn't overlap it. I'll do the side and the top. I think I prefer using this cap. It's so beautiful and it gives you a secure finishing. Yeah, you go under, because if you go up, you always find it a bit, it doesn't stay. So you go under, then you just pull it through. Hold it, 1 and 2. Yeah, so all the back is sorted. So it's divided there, going to that side, the right hand side, to do the put the hair in there. And the cap, I didn't want to do that. It's so difficult to go through with the latch hook. But if I don't do it and the wind blows, you will see the cap there, and I don't want to disgrace somebody. So I'm just doing that. It's a bit difficult as you are watching it from the video. It's really difficult to put that in, but I still have to do it. So don't skip that, please. Do it straight back. I prefer that. That one will slide on quickly because the knot was just one. I went through just one, so I have to take it out. So you know the top bit, please try and do it a bit close to each other because you don't want to see a curly hair flat on top of your head. That doesn't look nice. So try and do it a bit close to each other, make it more closer than the back. Unless the person says I want the top of my hair flat. If not, that is the best way to do it. Yeah, so it's all done. Trust me, it doesn't look right there. But I'm going to separate it. Just use my finger to go through and separate it and look at the finishing result. My oh my, this is the expression hair that we use a bendy rollers today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the notification button below. Thank you and stay blessed.